sun is up and the birds are chirping. It's about 7 a.m.
Before we get into today's fishing, I want to show you how last night ended.
What the hell is that? I'm not sure I want to go up there now. I have a feeling you know what I'm going to catch it there. But what made all that noise up there? The beaver up there? I don't know. Hope it's not a bear. Oh my God, what is that? Alright, I'm gonna get up here. See if that was a bear or a beaver or what. I don't know what that could have been. It's not a big area. Alright, let's throw her up here. Let's see what we get. Oh, there we go. There we go. Be nice if this was a trout, right? Because this is where the stream comes in. But no, it's a pickerel. He'll be happy to be down here in the main pond, I'm sure.
Alright, we're back at the pond. And yes, I still don't know what that sound was last night. Since that first video, I played the clip for a bunch of people. An environmental scientist who studies wetlands, my wife, and a few hardcore outdoorsmen and hunters. I've heard every theory you can imagine. A bird taking a bath, a bear peeing in the water, a leak in the beaver dam, a rattlesnake, something growling, and one guy just said, yeah, I don't know what that could be. I've spent a lot of time on the water, and I've never heard anything like that. There was no other splashes, no rustling, nothing scurrying away in the brush. Just that strange sound. I've got my own best guess, but I want to hear yours. Now let's get back to fishing.
Uh-oh. Looks like we're going in for him. There we go. Oh, another pickerel. Where are all the bass? Quick release, thank you. Well, I was just trolling this big old spinnerbait, and looky there. It's a pretty nice sized crappie there. Not 10 inches, but pretty darn big. Jeez. Boy, that's a pretty fish. Get a little sunlight on him. Oop, that's a big bass. Let's try not to lose him. Oh, that's a big one. Ooh. Oh boy. Let's see, I'm gonna drop anchor so I don't float into anything. I might try to get a weight on him. Right in the side. That's a nice fish. So now just listen to the sound. Because what do you think it was when you first heard it? The sun is up and the birds. A growl.
Yeah.
About 7 a.m.
Now listen. Before we get into today's fishing, I want to show you how last night ended.
What the hell is that?
So what do you think that was?
I'm not sure. I want to go up there now. I have a feeling you know what I'm going to catch there.
Maybe a growl.
What else do you think it could be?
Rattlesnake.
A rattlesnake?
Here.
You think I was crazy for going up there?
Yep.
Well, I didn't see anything.
Well, they don't show you themselves. They're in the water, in the grass. They're not going to say hi.
Well, if it's a rattlesnake, wouldn't it come and get me?
No.
Well, you know.
Something's warning you. You're being warned.
Huh.
And you're too dumb to back off.
Well, what should I have with me when I go up to these fishing
A
excursions?
snake stick.
A snake stick. I got one of those. If you stuck around with me this long, you deserve an answer. So, in addition to talking to a whole bunch of people, I threw that clip into the AI, and this is what it told me. Based on how water transmits sound, shoreline vegetation, common wildlife sounds in PA wetlands, there was no movement, it was one sound. The analysis tells us the most likely explanation is a beaver or muskrat exhale or grunt underwater. And the rationale is that beavers and muskrats often sit just under the surface near grass clumps. They make short, low, breathy grunts when startled. They can make noise without creating a splash. They often stay completely still afterward. They're extremely quiet when they don't want to be seen. The sound can feel close, even if the animal is hidden. That, my friends, is what I believe the answer is. And I'll see you beyond the bend.